Hello students, welcome to this science class. Today we will start the chapter Motion and Measurement of Distances with the questions from awareness. Today we will discuss the numericals which are coming from this chapter. So let's start. Before going into the details of the numerical problems, we need to remember certain things, certain points, because majority times you can see in your numerical problems, the questions are given in one unit and you are to answer in some other units. The interconversion of the units we have to learn very thoroughly. So for this reason, I have given something which you, if you learn properly, it will be easier for you to proceed with the numericals. So first one is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. On the reverse, we can also tell that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, so basically your problems generally comes within this formula, this units. So first numerical is the height of a person is 1.65 meter, express it in centimeter and millimeter. So first we can see in the first case we have to convert the meter into centimeter. So by convention, what we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here 1.65 meter is been given, that is multiplied by 100 in order to get the value in centimeter, which is coming here as 165 centimeter. So the height of the 1.65 meter is equal to 1.165 centimeters. The next part of the problem says to convert the meter into millimeter. So again by convention we know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 1.65 meter is equal to 1.65, which is multiplied by 1000 equal to 1650 millimeter. So here the height of the meter 1.65 meter has been converted to 1650 millimeter. Hope it's clear to you. Next, we are proceeding to the next numerical, which says that the distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meter, which had to be expressed in distance, express the distance in kilometers. So here we can see the distance given in meter and we have to convert into kilometer. Say 100,000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, or 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here we have taken in meter because the problem is in meter. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, and 3250 meter is equal to 3250 divided by 1 into 3250 divided by 1000 equal to 3.250 kilometer. It's simple unitary method. Definitely you know the method to solve the problem, and this is the just you need to convert it into different units. So the distance of 3250 meter will be equal to 3.250 kilometers. The next question is the reading at one end is 1 centimeter and the other end is about 14.3 centimeter. So we have to find the length of the object. So the length of the object here is 14.3 minus 1, because by placing the scale you can see the reading in one side it's 1 centimeter on, and on the other side it is 14.3 centimeters. So in between length we have to take out by simple subtraction, that is 114.3 has minus 1 equal to 13.3 centimeter. A similar type of problems given here, that is While measuring the length of the knitting needle, the reading of the scale at one end is 3 centimeter and the other end is 33.1 centimeter. It's exactly the similar, only the unit, only the measurement or the quantity is different. That is, in one side we can see the measurement is 3 centimeter and the other side it is about 33.1. So in between length will be 33.1 minus 3 equal to 30.1 centimeter. So the length of the needle here will be 30.1 centimeter. The next problem is the distance between your home and school is 5.34 kilometer. We have to express it in meter, exactly the same manner as we had given or we had solved the Radha's problem. The difference is that there the distance had given in the meter, here the distance are giving in the kilometers. There we had to take out into kilometer, here we have to take out in the meter. So the distance given in the kilometer is 1 point 5.34, and by convention we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 5.34 kilometer as it is given in the question will be equals to 5.34 into 1000, that is 5340 meter. Okay, so exactly similar with the Radha's problem I told you before, but the units are different. Okay, and the last problem here, what I've shown is length of an iron rod is 3.65 meter. We need to say express or convert it into centimeter as well as the millimeter. So in the first case we had seen that 3.65 meter, which will be equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 3.65 equal to into 100, that is 365 centimeter, and that is the length. And in second cases we have to convert this 3.65 into millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 millimeter as we know. So 3.65 meter into 1000 equal to 3650 millimeter. Okay, so here the conventional formula we had taken, that is, once we had taken 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and we had converted the 3.65 meter into 100, that is 365 centimeter. And in second cases we had converted 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, and with this formula 1 in 1000 into 3.65 equal to 3650 millimeter. Hope the interconversion of the different units are clear to you now. But please remember whatever I had given initially, that is this conversion. This is very important. If you know this formula, if you know this value, all other sums will be very much equal, very much easy for you to solve. Okay, even then if you have a doubt, always you are welcome to me and ask where exactly you have a doubt. Otherwise it is very easy. I hope you all will get the benefit from this presentation. Next class will start with the very short questions from awareness. Till then, all of you, please stay safe and thank you.